ओके, कौन है चलो क्या?
Yes, we are from the Rotary Club of Margam Midtown. After seeing the requirement of oxygen supply to the hospital, we realized that there is a facility available, but there were no flow meters. So we've got this 100 flow meters, which will help another 100 beds to get oxygen. At the same time, next week we are getting about 30 oxygen concentrators that also will be given to the South District Hospital. This is our small contribution, additional 200 more concentrators, and hope to receive it shortly. This is an endeavor from the Rotary Club of Margam Midtown is leading this endeavor at the South District Hospital. Thank you.
Yes.